Hello everyone, Kilogin here. Today I will show how to play Final Fantasy Tactics, the newest game from the Final Fantasy, in your CITRON. I tried to play in Ryujinx, in Yuzu and Tsuyu, but doesn't work. But I find a solution to play that game in this CITRON, the new emulator. First of all, to fix that problem, you need to go in Emulation Configure. And here in System, you need to uncheck this multi-core CPU emulation. Just uncheck this, or you can go on your game to make the settings for this game. Click right, Properties, System, and here uncheck the multi-core CPU emulation. And that's working for me, and the game works. And for graphics, I use the OpenGL with GLACM assembly shader NVIDIA only. If you have AMD, you can use SPIRV experimental. And right now right click and start the game. Because I try with all the games, with all the settings, but no one working. In Ryujinx the sounds are on, but the image doesn't work. And for now I fixed this problem and the game is playable. Okay, here I can make the settings, start the game. Okay, let's waiting a little bit prologue, let's say like that. I stay a little bit to fix that problem because I need to find a solution, but finally I find a solution and I can play this game. It's important because I fix it and you guys can play this game all day, all night, whenever you want. It's free and it's a nice title, Final Fantasy. I think more people know about that game. I didn't play it in past, but okay, I play a little bit. Let's continue because I don't want to. Okay, I stopped the sound of the game to don't have problem in YouTube. You have the sound, it's not a problem. I don't know if you have problem or something like that, to put in the comments. I try to fix it. Look at this, it's working. And the game working very well. I don't have shuttering problems. I don't know how to play this game, but I just use the fast forward. If you have problems, I don't know, with another games, put in the comments and I will try to fix it. Okay guys, that's it. The game's working very well. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like my videos, and if you have problems or something like that, don't forget to put in the comments. Have a nice day guys and enjoy the gaming. Bye bye.